Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our bonk video update today, and the progress continues. We are doing what I was expecting, as I told you yesterday, that we are just printing in the right shoulder. And as I told you before, it's only a curve. It's a matter of coming down like this and moving to the upside, in my opinion, to just complete that right shoulder. And when you do that, complete that right shoulder, you are going to start to move to the upside. So I can actually use a tool and try to see how long it might take for bonk to actually continue to make the right shoulder. So for this one, I am going to take an arc and we're going to go down there, and we probably will be using an arc. So from here, you want to draw something like this. Okay, so this is an arc, which actually means it's something that is rounded off like this. So you can see that this is a tool that was always given to you by tradingview.com, and I have a whole course on how to trade in crypto explaining TradingView itself. So thing is that you're coming down, you have the support, you have the support here, you have the support there. So we might see bonk once again doing something like this, coming down to 2336, and that will be fine. Coming up again like this, that will be fine and fine and fine, right? So however you do that, maybe just make it up here, or maybe just move in a circular motion, which is my best take, that if you come down and do something like this, that is much better. And by the end of the day, you do something like that, you break above, you come for the retest, and then boom, the journey goes to the upside. So taking this data from 4th of May until 10th of May, this six days progress, we can actually predict where the next, let's just say how long it's going to take based off 6 days of data. So it's going to take 16 until 16th of May, which is 6 days from now, to just continue on with sideways. So if bonk remains at least sidelined for the next 6 days, that's pretty fine. You might see until 12th of May, you're still down at 2400. And then by 13, you try to come up to 2500 one more time. And then by, 14 and 15 or 16, you start to go back up to 28, 29, and then from here, break above, and then you start to push to the upside. Now, keep one thing in mind. A stop loss is going to be recommended down at nearly 1940. So because we have everything, you see, you have the left shoulder, that's perfect. You have the head here, that's perfect. The right shoulder is what is printing on. It's actually in progress, and the whole pattern is still not in play. Let me just give you a heads up. Yes, you have inverse head and shoulder, but it's still not in play. Not in play. The day it's going to be in play is when you finally do something like come above, retest, boom, go to the upside. That's when you have the play of an inverse head and shoulder. So let's see 6 more days. Keep an eye on the channel. If you're not following me, do make sure you're following me as well. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next Jungle Office.